Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LEDS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. An absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we'll talk resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on, and that I'll be keeping an eye on going into tomorrow, is that breakout spot from earlier today, and that's right around the $5.30 mark. Next level after $5.30 seems kind of goofy right now, given it's not really close to the closing price, but that would be the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So again, I realize that purple line's way down there, the price is way up there, but keyword being moving. So as time goes by, tomorrow that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So in the event $5.30 cannot hold, then at that point, it'll be really interesting to see, how the price reacts around that purple line, if it heads down there far enough to get it. Obviously, because that line moves, you can't really say, set an exact price for it. Right now, it's valued at $3.30, but that is going to be a fluid situation tomorrow. But as it stands right now, $5.30 hasn't even been back tested. But again, like I said, if the price does break through there, the next level of support that I'd keep an eye on is going to be that purple line, 50-period simple moving average. Now, in the event this does start to bounce again, where are some of these key levels of resistance at? First area of resistance with any sort of bounce is going to be this little miniature area of support that sits right there at $7. If the price can push through $7, the next key overall level right up there at the $8.75 mark. So 7 and then $8.75, two near-term levels of resistance. Yeah, I get it. The price went up here above $10, but it's kind of pointless to be talking about, doing battle with price levels $10 and above until the bulls can first prove themselves again. And I am defining quote-unquote prove themselves as not only pushing through 7, but then getting up through $8.75. Without any doubt, this was a very crazy day. There's a lot of eyeballs on it, so this should be very interesting to see how it unfolds tomorrow and the remainder of the week.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.